Best detox diet for acne. Unknown to many, there are several factors that come into play when dealing with skin problems such as acne. There are actually a number of causes, which includes puberty, hereditary factors, hormonal imbalances, and the most important things is the food intake of a person. Although there are some skin experts who resolutely claim that the person's diet does not directly contribute to his or her skin condition, studies have shown that it actually plays a very big role. The adage "you are what you eat" certainly holds true, it shows in your skin. Acne and other skin problems apparently have a direct relationship with the individual's nutrition. There have been researches conducted that certain food groups can trigger acne, such as saturated fats commonly found in animal products. Detoxification is also a very effective way of eliminating breakouts, since the accumulation of toxins in the body can certainly wreak havoc to the person's skin. The best detox diet for acne would include large intakes of protein that have proven to considerably assist in preventing acne breakouts. This is mainly due to the fact that protein in the body inhibits the products of certain types of enzymes that activate the overproduction of oil and thereby causes clogging of pores. Among the best detox diet for acne would also include cleansing food, since flushing out the toxin in the body could significantly reduce a number of skin problems such as acne. Acids fruits, such as grapes and citrus, are also primary components that make up the best detox diet for acne, and in any other detoxification programs for that matter. However, some people may suffer some adverse effects of a detox diet, albeit for a very short period of time. Even the very best detox diet for acne can potentially set off a fresh new breakout of acne lesions. However, instead of discontinuing the diet program, individuals are actually advised to continue on since this is only an anticipated reaction of the body and acne can be expected to clear out in no time. Nonetheless, regular detoxification will simply not suffice in eradicating acne for good, since it can only provide temporary cleansing of the body system. A complete nutritional plan is needed to complement the detox diet and would serve as the long-term cure for acne and other skin problems. By cultivating a better attitude towards food and becoming more aware and cautious with the choices of food intake, one can significantly improve not just the skin, but the overall health and wellness of the body.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.